Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. We here at the Galley of the Sun love pizza. We've already released an episode on making pan pizza, on making St. Louis style pizza, on making Detroit style pizza, and coming very soon, how to make a 5-minute pizza. Now it's 5 minutes of cooking, but it's just a couple minutes to put together if you have the right stuff laying around. Now, most of us have cheese in our refrigerator. You may or may not have pepperoni in your refrigerator. If you love pizza, you probably should. You may or may not have Italian sausage in your refrigerator. But if you love pizza, you should. You definitely need some pizza sauce. Now, you could go out and buy your pizza sauce, but why not have pizza sauce standing by that's easy to make? It's cheaper, and it's a hell of a lot better. Well, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make a San Marzano pizza sauce that's quick and easy. So first thing we're going to do is, I know the recipe says down below in the comments, says 4 garlic cloves. When I grabbed the bulb, there were only 5 left. And I couldn't help but think how that lone clove would feel as it saw its bulb mates going away to be part of a delicious dish. So I grabbed all 5 of them. So it's up to you. If you love garlic, which we do, use more. If you don't, use less. If you don't like garlic, something's wrong with you. Okay, garlic done. Next, you could throw some dried oregano in this, but fresh is going to be so much better. Unless you're in Wichita, Kansas, which once again, for some reason, is a fresh oregano-free zone. Spent an entire afternoon looking for it there. And the weird thing is, Wichita, Kansas is the birthplace of Pizza Hut, which you imagine that they go through a lot of, well, maybe that's why there's no oregano there. Maybe they're using it all. I don't know. So we're going to strip the leaves off of the stems here until we have what we think will give us about 1 tablespoon of minced oregano. All right, that looks about right to me. Now give it a real good mince. And we're going to get about a tablespoon of fresh basil also. Quite a bit bigger leaves, much quicker preparation. That looks good enough to me. If you're not cooking with fresh herbs, you are missing out. Look at this. Other ingredients, a little bit of olive oil, and then you want to get yourself some whole peeled San Marzano tomatoes. These things are absolutely amazing. They are grown in the San Marzano region of Italy, unless you like Italian food, and then Italy. But these are incredible. Get these. Now it's just a few minutes of cooking. Yes, in the background I have some turkey broth cooking for some turkey bone gumbo for a different episode. You'll have to see that one. It's fantastic. But we're making pizza sauce. So, first thing we do is get some olive oil into our pan. Get that on about medium heat. Wait for it to shimmer. Okay, we're shimmering. In goes the garlic until it is fragrant, about 30 seconds. Then we'll give it some company. Stir that around. Oh, garlic. Now remember, those tomatoes were whole tomatoes. I like a little bit of texture to my pizza sauce. So what I'm going to do is, this is the fun part, and do not wear white. I'm going to drain the juices in here, and then as I get a tomato, I'm going to take that and just crush it with my hand. It is very soothing. Feels comforting. You could use an immersion blender in the can and then pour this in there if you're not the type that likes to get your hands dirty. So I said, this is therapeutic. Now, last thing we got to do is add in the basil, add in the oregano. We're going to give that a stir. Oh, smell of those fresh herbs. I served with a herb in the Navy. He wasn't overly fresh. He was pretty grimy most of the time. Worked his butt off though. Once you have those all together, you bring it to a simmer. You have some absolutely gorgeous, homemade, delicious, fresh pizza sauce. Hey, I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button. You'll find out when we release every one of our episodes. Is there a different kind of pizza sauce you like? Hey, put that down in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. And until next time, fair winds and following seas.